This is a video teaching you how to make a simple hemp bracelet using basic macrame knots. To begin with, you need a piece of hemp or other string. So for a bracelet, I have a piece that's 6 times the circumference of my wrist. So I use the measurement for my wrist, I double it, and then I fold and tie a basic square knot to make a loop. This will be the clasp of your bracelet. Then you take the shorter strings. This is the core of your bracelet. Cross one string over the top of the core. Bring the other string in front of it. In this case, the pink. It goes around behind the core and then through the blue loop. And then tighten it, but not too tight. To make the next one, you do the exact same thing from the other side. So you would cross on top of the core, over, behind the core, and through the loop. Tighten again. One more time. You go over the core, in front of that piece with the other side, behind the core with that piece, and then through the loop out the other side. I'm doing it mirrored so that you can see the process from the side you would normally be looking at. To make this easier, you can pin it to a surface and that'll hold it secure until you have more experience. You do that until you get the length you want. And then eventually, when you have the length you want, you can either add a bead at the end or tie a knot, which then goes through the loop to close your bracelet. And there you have it, how to make a simple hemp bracelet using basic macrame knots. Thank you for watching. Please like the video.